Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. So this mountain is about 1,400 meter sea level. So yan po guys. Yan po guys. And our actual temperature now is about 15 to 16 degrees Celsius. Summertime. It's very cold because so we are in the mountain. So that is why it's very normal in summertime is cold because of the mountain. Kapag nasa taas kasi tayo ng bundok guys, kasi 1,400 meter, kaya talagang malamig siya. So cute ng simbahan nila oh. Ayan, cute ng simbahan, di ba? Cute niyan. So ayan, pinalaki natin. Ay salamat, meron pa akong space para sa aking another video. Kasi wala na lang laman ng aking memory. Thank you guys so much sa inyong pagsuporta sa aking sport channel. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po guys sa inyong pagsuporta sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. So nakita nyo guys, ang puti na yan, yung mahabang may mga glass na ano na yan, na metal, is yan ay para sa mga mahihilig mag-skiing kapag winter. Diyan sila nagpa-practice, lalo na yung mga bata. Thank you guys again so much.